Welcome to our Top 100 Cities in USA series. Don't be nervous even if you applied for a US tourist visa and got rejected. You're not alone. Many people face B1/B2 visa denials every day. But here's the good news, a rejection isn't final. It just means you need to prepare better. In this video, I'll explain why tourist visas get rejected, what your next steps should be, and how to increase your chances of approval next time. Why tourist visas get rejected. If your tourist visa was denied, it was likely under Section 214B of US immigration law. That means the visa officer believed you might not return to your home country after your trip. Common reasons for denial include weak ties to your home country, no strong job, family, or property links, unclear travel purpose, inconsistent answers during the interview, insufficient financial proof to fund your trips, suspected intent to overstay in the US. You might have been asked basic questions like, why are you going to the US? Who's funding your trip? Where will you stay? Even simple mistakes in answering these can raise red flags. Segment 2, should you reapply? Yes, you can reapply, but only if something has changed. If you apply again without fixing what went wrong, chances are you'll get rejected again. Before reapplying, ask yourself, do I now have stronger financial proof? Can I clearly show my travel plan and purpose? Have I fixed inconsistencies in my previous interview or documents? If yes, then it may be a good time to try again. Segment 3, how to improve your chances. Step 3, prepare stronger next time. Here are the most important things to prepare before your next tourist visa interview. Show strong home ties. Proof of stable employment, family, or owning property can show that you will return. Have a clear travel itinerary. Know your travel dates, cities, hotel bookings, and planned activities. Proof of funding, bank statements, fixed deposits, or sponsor letters must be real and verifiable. If someone else is funding your trip, clearly explain your relationship with them. Avoid vague answers, I just want to visit isn't good enough. Say things like I plan to visit New York for 10 days, see major attractions, and return because I have work commitments. Be confident, not overconfident, speak clearly and honestly. Avoid scripted or robotic answers. Segment 4, what documents you should carry. While the interview is mainly verbal, here are the documents you should carry: valid passport, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment confirmation, recent bank statement, proof of income/employment, travel itinerary, sponsor letter if applicable. Remember, officers usually don't ask to see your documents, but if they do, be ready. Segment 5, don't be discouraged. Many people are denied the first time and succeed on their second or even third try. Don't lose hope. Just take this as feedback to prepare better. US tourist visa approval isn't about luck, it's about presenting your case clearly and honestly. If your rejection notice doesn't mention any permanent ban or ineligibility, you're free to apply again whenever you're ready. Visa rejection is tough, but it's not the end of your dream. Review, prepare, and return stronger. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more visa and travel tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I reply to everyone. When you get your US visa, before making your itinerary, watch our Top 100 Cities in USA series. See you in the next video.